I think we are recording. Hey guys, we are back at it again. I'm putting together the Oryxearth, electric bike here for Grayson. I am just working on getting it all put together.
Hey guys, so I am going to be in the background as Benjamin is trying to make this nice electric bicycle for Grayson. So we found this and we thought this would be a great surprise for him because this is around Christmas time, and we got this for him because we were not going to have him for Christmas this year. And so Benjamin was like, you know what, he has a scooter, an electric scooter, he has a normal bicycle, so we need to just get him something like a little bit electric. And so this was it. We kind of picked it out. It comes with some few different colors that you can add to your motorcycle. Well, it's kind of like a kid's motorcycle, so to speak, but a bike. But it's not supposed to be on the road, it's supposed to be on the sidewalk. So you can't use this on the road, it's for kids. And then you can use it in the grass, or you can use it, on the sidewalk, in your compound. If you have a big yard, or if you have like a big compound, you can also use it there. So we thought that this would be a great thing for him to have, just something to get him out of the house and just make him have fun, So we're trying to get him into all this boy stuff, which I think is pretty cool. So anyway, so Benjamin is just fixing it up together, making sure that everything looks great. So you don't have to buy all those equipments that you need to use to put them together. They bring everything put together. You'll see Benjamin say that in the video as well. So I thought that was also really cool. So this is kind of how Benjamin was putting it together, and I really enjoyed watching this because it's like you can see him taking it from just a little tiny bicycle into something so beautiful. So I really loved watching this. So guys, enjoy watching and putting it together.
Alright guys, just after a quick bathroom break, we're back at it. Here's my beautiful love over here.
Busy. We are both busy, as you can see.
Just a reminder, one of the great things about this bike set is they think of everything. So this is a screwdriver, interchangeable screwdriver. So interchangeable screwdriver and attachment. So all we have to do is stick this into here and we are good to go.
At some point I had to help him. You know, I'm also trying to exercise my pelvic muscles, so this was great for exercising my pelvic muscles, I'm gonna be honest. So I was helping out at some point, just putting it together, making sure that the surprise is great for Grayson. Finally, he put in the headlights, he put in everything that needed to be put together, and then it was time to take it for a test drive. So because it's an electric bicycle, we wanted Grayson to be very, very, very comfortable with a normal bicycle first before we can put him in an electric bicycle. This thing goes up to 25 miles per hour, so we didn't want him to just be on the, you know, on the sidewalk going 25 miles per hour without him learning all the controls and everything. So, you know, that's something that he has to learn with his dad. But for now, we just wanted you to see, like, this is kind of what it looks like on a kid. It looks nice and magnificent. You're going to see what it will look like when he sits on it, when he's trying to push it. You know, it's very age appropriate for him. The other day we were literally in the park with his electric scooter, and he was like, he saw some other kids with this kind of bike, and he was like, can I have one of those? And I was like, do you really want one of those? And you know, the thing is that we had already gotten this one. This is his new little bike. I think he's going to make great friends at the park because we want him to be out there making friends, you know, and also just having fun because we want him to have fun, you know. So this was really great, and he seems comfortable with it, but we are still not comfortable for him to drive it on his own until we are comfortable. Until we get to that point where we're comfortable, he's going to drive. But it's something a kid can drive easily, so we're not saying that a kid can't drive it. It's just with Grayson, we just want to make sure that he is at that place where we are comfortable. So we are training him because he doesn't know how to ride the normal bike. So we want to get him used to the normal bike before he can get to an electric bike. That's just what we are trying to say at this point. So anyway, so Grayson's going to get on it, and you're going to see what it's going to look like. So for now, it's on standby until he can learn how to use it. So make sure you check out the description box below. Every detail on this bike is going to be in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye. Okay, let's see how you look on this.
Does it need to be charged?
Yes.
I was like, I don't think that thing should be battery powered, right?
It is battery powered.
No, I mean by battery powered is it's like remote control car battery.
Oh no.
No. All right. Do you want to sit so that we see if the height is good for you? Look at that.
Oh, it has a comfortable seat.
Mm-hmm. Here, kick the kickstand up.
It's hard.
Here, move your foot. All right, now use your feet. You gotta use your feet on both sides. There you go. Now push yourself out.
Oh. Just be careful.
I'm trying. I feel like a penguin right now.
All right.
Is this the bike I'm going to be using?
All right, hi guys. So I finally got this bike finished. It is fully put together, and it's ready to go. The ignition, it's a side ignition, so that's really nice. Let me give you some close-ups here, and then we'll take it from there. You just turn it into the on position. Once you're in the on position, you cannot remove the key. Once you're off, you can remove the key, but on, and then the key actually flips down, so it's not popping out at your leg. So there you go. We're gonna go ahead and take off.